So you got your new CODESYS PLC and you want to do the initial setup and configuration to work with it. On our PLC this is done via an integrated web interface. So how do I connect? So in order to access the web interface you must know the IP of your PLC. Every PLC has a pre-configured IP address. In this case it is 169.254.255.XX, where the XX corresponds to the last two digits of the serial number of your PLC. The serial number can be found on the device label that is somewhere on your PLC. It looks like the picture seen here. In this case the last two digits are 4 and 5. So the whole IP of your PLC in this example is 169.254.255.45. The default network mask on all our PLCs is always 255.255.255.0. As you now know the IP of your PLC connected to the PC via LAN patch cable. Please be aware that your PC must also be configured with an IP in the same network. In my case it is 169.254.255.222. After you have connected your PLC to your PC, please open your default web browser and type in https:// and then your IP of the PLC, in our case 169.254.255.45, and press enter. As this is a first time local connection to the PLC, your browser will give you a warning that it does not know the certificate. You can ignore this message and choose to accept or trust the certificate. Okay, you can now see the logging screen of the web interface. Type in admin into the name bar, and as for the default password, please check the manual of your PLC. Type in the password in the password bar and press enter. You have now access to the web interface of your PLC. Here you can configure your device and check system and diagnostics informations. Thank you very much for your attention.